Welcome to a journey of transforming your meals into healthier versions without compromising on taste. By exploring simple yet effective healthy food swaps, you can make substantial changes to your diet. These swaps involve replacing less nutritious ingredients with healthier alternatives that are equally delicious. By incorporating these changes into your meals, you can boost the nutritional value of your diet while still enjoying the flavors you love. Stay tuned to discover how you can make these swaps seamlessly and upgrade the healthfulness of your meals. Discover a simple yet impactful swap for your dishes, replacing butter with creamy avocado spread. Avocado offers a healthier alternative rich in nutrients and flavor, adding a delightful creaminess to your favorite recipes. By making this switch, you can reduce saturated fats and increase the intake of heart-healthy monounsaturated fats. Avocado spread is versatile and can be used in various dishes, from toast to sandwiches, providing a unique twist while keeping your meals delicious and satisfying. Elevate the nutritional value of your meals by choosing whole grain pasta over the regular option. Whole grain pasta is a wise choice as it contains higher levels of fiber and essential nutrients compared to its refined counterpart. By making this swap, you enhance the health benefits of your dish without compromising on taste or texture. Whole grain pasta offers a nutty flavor and a slightly chewier texture, providing a satisfying and wholesome dining experience. Embrace this healthier alternative to boost your fiber intake and enjoy a more nutrient-dense meal. Swap out unhealthy chips for a nutrient-packed snack by opting for nuts and seeds. These wholesome alternatives are rich in healthy fats, protein, and fiber, offering a satisfying and nutritious munching experience. Nuts and seeds provide essential nutrients that support overall health, including heart-healthy fats and satiating protein. By incorporating these wholesome snacks into your diet, you can curb cravings, boost energy levels, and promote a sense of fullness. Ditch empty calories for nutrient-dense options and elevate your snacking routine with the goodness of nuts and seeds. Enhance the flavors of your dishes by replacing refined sugar with natural sweeteners like honey or maple syrup. These alternatives not only provide sweetness but also introduce unique and nuanced flavors to your meals. Honey and maple syrup are rich in antioxidants and minerals, offering a healthier option to satisfy your sweet tooth. By using these natural sweeteners, you can reduce the consumption of processed sugars and enjoy the natural goodness of these sweet additions. Elevate the taste profiles of your dishes while making a mindful choice for your overall well-being. Incorporating simple healthy food swaps can have a profound impact on the nutritional quality of your diet, all while allowing you to indulge in delicious and satisfying meals. By making these swaps, you enhance the vitamins, minerals, and overall health benefits of your dishes, promoting a well-rounded approach to eating. Stay tuned for more insights and strategies to elevate the healthfulness of your meals, making every bite a step towards a more nourished and balanced lifestyle.